Listen up, entrepreneurs. Dropshipping is booming. Low overhead, anyone. But here's the catch. It's a crowded battlefield. Thousands are vying for the same customers. How do you stand out? Marketing. It's not an option. It's your weapon to victory. You need to be heard above the noise. You need to grab attention. You need to convert browsers into buyers. No marketing, no sales. Period. Think of it like this. You've got the best products, amazing prices, but you're hidden in a dark alley. No one can find you. Marketing is your spotlight, shining brightly on your store. It's the sign that screams, "Hey, we've got what you need." Don't underestimate its power. Without it, you're just another face in the crowd. Let's get real, folks. You can have the best website, the smoothest checkout process, but without traffic, it means nothing. Zero. Zilch. Marketing drives that traffic. It brings those eager customers to your virtual doorstep. It's the engine that powers your dropshipping business. Ignore it, and you're dead in the water. This isn't about luck. It's about strategy. It's about understanding your audience and speaking their language. It's about being present where they are and giving them what they crave. Marketing is the bridge connecting your products to eager buyers. Build that bridge and watch your business soar.
Social media is king. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they're not just for fun anymore. They're your direct line to millions of potential customers. But here's the key. You gotta jab, 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 right hook. Provide value first. Engage, entertain, educate. Then go for the sale. Think about it. People are bombarded with ads all day long. Don't be another annoying banner ad. Be a friend, a source of valuable information. Share behind-the-scenes content, product demos, customer testimonials. Build trust and connection before you ask for the sale. That's how you win on social media. Run contests, offer exclusive discounts, go live and interact with your followers. Make it personal, make it fun, make it shareable. Remember, people buy from people. Show the humans behind your brand. Let your personality shine through. That's what captivates people and keeps them coming back for more. Social media is a long game, not a quick fix. Consistency is key. Show up every day, engage with your audience, and provide value. Over time, you'll build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations and buys from you again and again. Don't underestimate the power of authentic connection.
Need targeted traffic fast? Google Ads is your answer. It's like putting your store on the front page of Google for your ideal customer to find. Think about it. Someone searches for best running shoes and boom, your ad pops up showcasing your top-selling shoes. That's the power of Google Ads. But here's the thing, you gotta be smart about it. Use relevant keywords that match what your target audience is searching for. Don't waste money on broad terms. Get specific. Think like your customer. What are they typing into that search bar? Answer that, and you'll attract the right people to your store. Don't just send them to your homepage. Direct them to specific product pages that align with their search. This improves your conversion rates because you're showing them exactly what they're looking for. Track your results, analyze the data, and adjust your campaigns accordingly. It's all about optimization. Google Ads can seem intimidating, but it's a game changer for dropshippers. It's like having a virtual billboard on the busiest street corner, but instead of random passers-by, you're targeting interested buyers actively searching for what you offer. That's powerful stuff.
Section 4. Nurturing the Bond Email Marketing Magic. Email marketing is not dead. It's alive and kicking, baby. Think about it. You get their email address and you have a direct line to their inbox. No algorithms, no fighting for attention. Just you and your potential customer. But here's the deal. You gotta deliver the goods. No one wants spammy sales pitches clogging their inbox. Instead, offer value. Send them exclusive content, early access to sales, personalized recommendations based on their browsing history. Make them feel special, like they're part of an exclusive club. Segment your email list. Don't send the same generic message to everyone. Tailor your content to their interests and purchase behavior. This shows you care and increases the chances of them opening your emails and, more importantly, taking action. Email marketing is all about building relationships. Nurture those leads, provide value, and watch them turn into loyal customers. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the rewards are worth it.
Section 5. Influencers, your brand's megaphone. Influencers are the new celebrities. They've built trust and credibility with their audience, and people listen to their recommendations. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products. It's like word-of-mouth marketing on steroids. But don't just reach out to anyone with a large following. Choose influencers whose values align with your brand and whose audience matches your target market. Authenticity is key here. People can spot a fake endorsement a mile away. Think outside the box. Don't just go for the big names with millions of followers. Micro-influencers with smaller, more engaged audiences can be just as effective, if not more so. Plus, they're often more affordable. When done right, influencer marketing can skyrocket your brand awareness and sales. It's like having your products endorsed by a trusted friend. People are more likely to make a purchase when they see someone they admire using and loving your products.
Section 6. Don't just exist, dominate. The power of strategic marketing. Look, you can't just dip your toes in the marketing pool. You gotta dive in head first. Embrace these strategies, experiment, and find what works best for your dropshipping business. The key is to be strategic, track your results, and adapt your approach as needed. Don't be afraid to invest in your marketing. It's not an expense, it's an investment in your business's growth. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. But remember, it's not just about spending money, it's about spending it wisely and effectively. Stay ahead of the curve. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing. New platforms emerge, algorithms evolve, and consumer behavior shifts. Stay informed, adapt to the changes, and never stop learning. Marketing is the lifeblood of your dropshipping business. Embrace it, master it, and watch your sales soar. Remember, you're playing the long game here. Build relationships, provide value, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. That's how you win in the dropshipping game.
Section 7. From Zero to Hero. Your dropshipping success story awaits. You got this. Don't let anyone tell you that dropshipping is easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a killer marketing strategy. But the rewards are worth it. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and watching your business grow. Start small, test, analyze, and scale what works. Don't be afraid to fail. It's part of the journey. Learn from your mistakes, pivot, and keep moving forward. Success is not a straight line. It's a winding road with bumps along the way. Remember, you're not alone in this. There's a whole community of dropshippers out there who have been in your shoes. Connect with them, learn from their experiences, and support each other. Together, you can achieve anything. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, hustle hard, and make your dropshipping dreams a reality. The world is your oyster. Go out and conquer it.